Hello my viewers, as I shoot this video, I'm in Embu County. This is where I do my small scale farming. As you can see, this is something those who chew, they know what it is. You can come for some of it. I want to speak about how to make passive income in 2023. You are employed, you have a business, you still need passive income. Passive income means the income that you earn from projects or something that you are doing which is not taking much of your time. As we go out of the festivities of Christmas, oh, by the way, Merry Christmas, my family. You should know you need that extra income. Actually, COVID taught us you cannot rely on one source of income. You have to explore. Now in 2023, you should look for an opportunity. Check those opportunities around you. If people don't have liquid soap, make sure you supply them. If there is no laundry, make sure you provide the services. If it is a salon, make it mobile. Have clients, build your clients, so that extra income you're getting is going to help you to stay well in 2023. You set your saving goals. The other thing, those who are working, especially when you go to work, some of us don't have time to shop. Get that sack of kishori rice, vend it at work, send to your colleagues, let them buy, market your product. Make sure you are doing something that is bringing income to you, even if it is very little. Make sure you do that. Learn about online marketing. Make sure you are doing 1, 2, 3 things of binaries, a crypto. Get that little income. To cut it short, we have a business that is not talked much about. It is called Shyrock. Your colleagues may be broke, especially after Christmas. Make sure you are there. I need 1,000 at just a little fee. Let's say 10%. Out of 10,000, you make your 1,000. That is income. Build it. Let people know what you are doing to assist them in life. Seize the opportunity when it comes, because it may never come again. Make sure you get something little. Those people who know about knitting, make sure you can learn something to knit, a tablecloth, a cardigan, a poncho. Sell it to your friends. Market it online. You can really make something from those little things people ignore. Learn not to rely on one income. Among these, I'll still keep on enlightening you about the passive incomes, ideas that can help you usher in 2023 in style, achieve your saving goals, and more income, even when you are in full-time job. Make sure you get to know the opportunities that are around you. I will stop there, my dear viewers. We will continue to enlighten each other about the ideas of the jobs that you can do beside your normal routine of the day. Bye-bye, my viewers. You come with me in Embu County.